AI Kids Books to Passive Income, Amazon KDP+. YouTube, hey there, and welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity that combines creativity with the potential for passive income, creating AI-generated children's books for platforms like Amazon KDP and YouTube. If you've ever dreamed of sharing stories that inspire young minds while also earning some extra income, you're in the right place. Imagine this: you have a story idea that sparks joy and imagination. With the help of AI tools, you can bring that idea to life in a beautifully illustrated children's book. The best part? You don't need to be a professional author or illustrator to get started. There are user-friendly AI platforms that can help you generate text and images, making the process accessible and fun. Once your book is ready, you can publish it on Amazon KDP, where millions of readers are looking for new adventures for their kids. With the right keywords and marketing strategies, your book can reach a wide audience, creating a stream of passive income as it sells over time. Plus, you can take it a step further by creating engaging content for YouTube. Imagine reading your story aloud, sharing behind-the-scenes looks at your creative process, or even hosting fun storytelling sessions. This not only builds a community around your work, but also drives traffic to your book. Remember, the key to success in this venture is authenticity. Share your passion for storytelling, connect with your audience, and let your unique voice shine through. As you embark on this journey, keep in mind that every great author started somewhere, and your stories could be the next big hit in children's literature. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tips on turning your creative ideas into reality. Happy storytelling, and I can't wait to see what you create.